a clean one. Good luck.
I'll take that EOL.
Oh, and if anyone would like an EOL, just drop back on the start. Let us know and we'll give it to you.
Now, Charles, you want one?
T minus 90 seconds.
Damn, that 112 is fast.
Yeah, especially since we are doing a cop yellow.
Scheme looks very good in the broadcast because my brother made that for me, so I'm gonna do this race for him.
Race starts in 60 seconds.
And if all possible, any wreck that you see or are involved in, just call out where the wreck is on track so everyone can dodge it.
Race start in 30 seconds.
So y'all they take my thing up to do 30 laps. Okay. Very interesting, my dudes.
You're gonna have to make 3 pit stops.
The race starts in 10 seconds.
You sure 3?
You two, 30 laps. The track temp is 114 Fahrenheit. The air temp is 65.
Don't fucking, I can't math.
This is a very slick track on very cold tires, so please be careful in lap 1, turn 1, and throughout the rest of the course.
Okay, rolling start. Stay in the pole row in the left column.
Wait.
Race car speed is 47 miles per hour.
Did you give yourself an EOL?
No, you can just go ahead and give me an EOL.
Yep. Stan just asked for one.
Yep.
You want an EOL, Sam?
Oh, I'm in a crash.
Yeah, I'll take one.
I'm on it, I'm on it, I'm on it.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, he's giving a position to me. Yay!
No later.
By the time EOLs are going to be given, I'm going to be right back in 9th.
You can't park this, huh?
What the hell? What is Kylan doing?
Come on, guys, catch up to the pace car. Come on, guys. When did the safety car become a real car? Did I change it to a BMW? On those courses, you can change it to Porsches or BMWs.
Oh, that was a horrible time to fucking sneeze.
Get ready. Floor it.
Right side, you're clear. Still there.
Damn, I almost naded my engine.
Still there. Clear. Right side. Clear, clear.
Yeah.
Position staying LU1 big time.
Oh, he's coming back to it.
I can do.
You know what? We'll just call it even.
Okay, I thought what he did to me at Life Rock. He gave me the promise.
The track temperature is falling. It's now 110 Fahrenheit.
Car off and stop. Be careful.
The next car is Varding, car number 13, A license, and their rating is 2.5.
Right side.
Oh my god.
Still there. Clear. On the left side. And
Oh
clear.
shit, oh shit, oh shit, shit.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
My bad.
Ah, you're good. You never came close.
Fucking no lift, at it again.
You mean no break?
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Brother
so...
Spirit is helping me right now.
I'm so scared right here.
Oh, no.
On it off. Never mind.
Left side. Clear.
Never
My monitor
mind.
just snuck off on me.
Well done, Strickland. Good pass. Eyes front.
My monitor turned off on me. It was back on the exit, going out of the exit. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, time to catch
This is fucking great, mate. Keep it coming. You're in the lead.
Holy meal.
What is he off?
No, he cut me off. Now I
That's
lost
Dan
my
right behind
time
me.
on Tom.
Jesus Christ.
Reactor V2 behind is increasing. It's now 1.7.
Dear Stan, I wrote you back and you still ain't responding. Oh.
Come pretty calm.
It won't take me long to make a mistake.
Back on front. Back in turn one. Or spin, I mean.
Been out of it.
We estimate 4 laps fuel remaining. The guy behind has just done a 113.87. is now 2.3.
Yeah, you gotta look. I gave you that position because my monitor just turned off on me, so you're welcome, by the way.
But you're gonna have to pit before lap 15 fuel.
You're leading. We estimate 3 laps of fuel left. You've just done a 113.80. Only 2 laps of fuel left. That last lap was at 113.83.
This time, Charles.
Michael is pitting from P14. You think he'll come out just in front?
I get tired or no?
Probably.
You've got 1 gallon left.
Actually, no. Probably not.
93 pace.
I'm not second tires.
Pit lane speed limit is 40 miles per hour. We have no recorded pit timings. The estimate position estimates won't be reliable. On exit, we should be in position 9, just behind Michael. Vardy, behind, is pitting. Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now.
Thought I sped for a second, I'm not gonna lie.
I was kind of scared because I
Right
went
front,
in,
95%. Left rear, 94.
with you, and I was like, oh shit, are we speeding?
There's traffic behind. Watch your mirrors.
Left side, clear, clear.
Okay, Strickland. The next car is Harris. Car number 46. A license. And their rating is 1.7. Michael is entering the pits. He's in P14. He should come out just in front of you.
That's in the play. Let's run on the pit lane.
Spun on the pit lane? Yeah, okay.
There's a car leaving the pits. The gap to Barris behind is increasing. It's now 3.0 seconds. Keep it nice and smooth. Come on, let the race come to us. You're leading.
I was thinking about it.
Take it. You're way faster right now. Go for it. I don't want to hold you up.
Missed my braking point there.
The car in front of us is 1 lap behind.
Yeah, we don't clear for speeding. We clear if you spin on the pit road.
Yeah, it's fun on the pit road for all speed.
Well, Stan just said he got a spinning thumbnails. I'm sorry about the luck.
Oh. The exact same thing, yeah. But this one there wasn't speeding.
I don't even know what I just witnessed.
You say you don't know what you just witnessed?
Yeah, it's fine.
What'd you fix?
Unadulterated planet.
The gap to Velasquez behind is now 2.8.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
I don't either.
It's kind of hard to explain. You'll just have to watch my onboard from lap 9 into the bus stop.
But you almost lost it.
Sectors 2 and 3 are 2/10 off the pace. Sector 1 is
Stan,
quick.
because he said he panicked. And he saw the turn around the bus for a lap down the bus stop. Like, yeah, that means you probably got scared because of that. You want to get loose.
Oh, shit.
All that practice and I can't drive this for shit.
Kevin, did you just go off?
That was me.
Yes and no.
I thought I seen you go off behind me.
I did a half speed just to keep it on the track. It was spinning right over.
Okay, Strickland, the next car is 1 lap behind. This guy's got a bad reputation. Watch yourself.
Who the fuck is some place setting that lap? Damn.
Derek 14.
What? Gotta stay in.
You've got about 4 laps of fuel left.
Makes sense.
Yeah, this company's made up 4 seconds on the last 2 laps. It's coming.
Remember, Campiello at the start of lap 15, or lap 15. Leader says we're entering the second to last corner.
Fastest lap for Stanley, 1:12.76. Three laps of fuel remaining.
Well,
I'm on 12.
The driver in front of us is a lap behind.
I don't know what you said.
The gap to Velasquez behind is now 2.8.
Oh shit. I almost fucking lost it. I have cooked my right rear. I was trying a few things out before this pit stop. See if I can get a little faster.
Laps of fuel remaining.
Let me know when you're at second to last corner next lap. Either one of you.
My car is way ahead of me, so I did not. How's that gonna work out?
Tyler, where are you?
He's in first.
Well, yeah, no
Yes.
shit. Like,
We're just
where's he on
exiting the
track?
bus stop.
You're just exiting the bus stop.
You're in the lead.
Alright, I'm throwing it.
And we're in the middle of green flag pit stops again, though.
Oh,
Wow.
Do I not get a lucky dog on road courses?
You should
do.
get it.
You gotta wait till the pack catches up to the pace car.
Okay, it looks
There
like
you
the
Only
pace
2 more laps of
car-
fuel.
Yeah, this should be right this time.
Pace car is out. Pits are closed.
What? I thought you asked something. You what?
The pace
Pace
car
car
speed
topped the
is
leader,
60
and-
miles per hour.
There's no lap cars trapped. I think we're good.
I'm the only lap car.
The pace car is in. Turn
Here's
4.
the pace car.
Where is the
Alright.
pace car at?
I think I'm catching her.
And the S's.
Pace car S's.
I gotta conserve fuel so I can make it back around.
Pace car and the bus stop.
Don't know how this is possible, but I'm in third.
Pit cycle.
I mean, I was in fifth before it started.
Looks like the order is okay. That thing's fucked up this time.
Alright, it looks
We're
like
under caution.
everything
Pits are closed.
in terms of the order is correct this time, but if something's amiss, let us know immediately.
I just told him let the 38 by, so I'm just gonna stay to the left here on the backstretch, even though he's like 3 places behind.
Full course yellow. Pits are open.
Fast.
Just stay right
do
there.
you think we should pit for tires also, or just fuel?
Big tires.
Yeah, I'm taking everything.
Yeah, I'm thinking-
What's your speed limit in the pits?
Yeah, 31. Just stay where you are, and we'll make sure no one goes a lap down here.
Box in. A
I don't
5,
even know where he's so
4,
far.
3, 2, 1. Box now. Front right, 90%. Left rear, 87.
Damn it.
Dang it, I spun my tires.
The pace car's in, turn 4.
38, you gotta pass me. It's telling me to let you. Oh, you said you just gave position.
I think it's fine now.
We predict that the fuel window will open on lap 22. It'll end on lap 23. We have no recorded pit timings. This will hurt the fuel estimates.
Right before the yellow.
Yeah, they pitted before the yellow.
For us.
We need to catch up to car number 13.
Only car a lap down is Dave. So, yep, we're good.
He's telling me to let the 31 by.
I guess you gotta let him by. I don't know.
I don't know what it is. I'm also behind the pace car, but it's not telling me to be behind the pace car. I don't
It's
know
open.
if I'm doing the right thing or not.
Just where are you at? Let me see on track. Just stay there. Just stay there.
I'll just go black.
Yeah.
Catch up to car number
If
13.
the game is telling you guys to pass someone or let someone by,
Yeah.
just ignore it.
Everybody,
and
well,
you will
72
figure
is the
black.
only person that's got to catch up. He might not be able to because he's...
Catch up to car number 13. We need to follow car number 46 in the left column. Alright, Strickland, get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
We will clear black as soon as we go green.
I think it's all worked out now.
I mean, hey, as long as it's not like yesterday's fiasco.
You had to bring up yesterday.
I think throwing the competition to yellow when people are in the pits just breaks the stuff. You might have to keep it a secret and not telling you.
Every time I've ever raced in like a NASCAR league that throws yellows on road courses, it's like it's broken. It's like iRacing doesn't know what to do with a safety car on a road course, so there's usually somebody in like a live race control situation that's just handing out EOLs to straighten the field out, but that's, you know, it is what it is.
And that's why I'm glad we only do one road course a year. Or season.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, some people just run one series, so I'm just gonna...
No, there's 2 on each schedule.
Yeah, these things turn right, great.
Well, where's the other one?
Lime Rock is the trucks and WeatherTech. Arca.
Oh.
Dan, whatever you do, do not turn me at the start.
What did you say the other one was? Texas?
Please
WeatherTech.
for your tires. I'm
WeatherTech.
begging you.
Oh, yeah.
Sega.
That's gonna be a...
What angered you at the end of the race? What did you take issue with? What?
That
Yeah,
downhill screws me up.
That's a really cool track. That's gonna be a fun one.
Wait, what is it? Oh, Laguna Seca? Yeah, I'm not doing that race.
It's
Maybe,
WeatherTech.
I don't know. Yeah, that's a Laguna Seca.
The pace car has just left.
Oh my god, we went.
Green, let's go. On your right,
Pretty wide.
You're
Jesus
clear.
Christ.
P4.
Oh no. Oh dear. Oh dear. I thought that was going to be pretty wide. I fucking clinched.
Yes, I saw you right behind.
Whoa, I got loose go off me.
On your left. Still there. Clear.
I was trying to give you room, Kevin, did I?
You're good, you're good, you're good, we're good.
Aw, I fucking cut the course.
Left
Yeah,
side.
same here.
Still there. They're by half.
Fucking excellent pass, nice one, mate. Okay, Strickland, the next car is Vardy, car number 30, A license, and their rating is 2.5.
I mean, we're all good, nothing happened, I didn't mean to bump you there.
Left side.
I didn't even see you over there either, so
Still
I
there.
can see why you didn't see me.
Oh yeah,
Still there.
you were like perfect there. My spotter did not tell me.
Still there. Clear.
This is terrific, exactly what we came here for. E2, sweet pass, mate.
I'm making you give me space, please.
Right side. Still there. Still there.
Thank you, Ryan.
Still there. Still there, right next to you. Still there, still there. Clear.
I can't get down.
I go one turn left.
P3. The guy in front is scanning, car number 55, A license, and their rating is 4.5.
Russell just did.
Oh, Russell, what the hell?
Hey, one off, exit up in turn 1. Go scare you, Russell?
He's fucking cussing.
Oh my god, where did you come from?
I didn't leave my mode.
I didn't think you were gonna break it earlier.
Okay, Strickland, don't be intimidated by this little shit, make him work for it.
I guess I'd run it in a little deeper than you.
Yeah.
I was like, holy shit, it felt like he cut that early. Oh, well, I guess I'm going up
New
the
fastest lap for scanning, 112.42. You got about 4 laps of fuel left.
Yeah,
Your lap time was 113.21.
On pit road.
Yeah, it's smart. And went down the road, got a light flag.
I'll clear it for you.
Oh, I'm about to stop.
We need a pit and stand by for damage.
I do too, but I'm trying to stretch it so I can make it one last stop, but I don't know if this is doing any good. I think we're done.
You've used half your fuel. Okay, Strickland, the next car is Richards, car number 31, A license.
Okay, Redman, better make a mistake.
The gap to P4 behind is increasing. It's now 1.3.
they're scared me.
Figure out how to save enough fuel so I don't have to stop again.
What you got left?
I'm short almost a lap and a half.
The gap to D2 ahead is now 1.6. Pit window is open. Only 2 laps of fuel left.
Have to shift early. Negative.
Look out for the pit speed limit. We didn't record any pit timings. The estimate position estimates will be unreliable. We expect you'll be coming out of the pits into clear air. When we exit the pits, we should be in position 7. Box in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Box now. Front right, 95%. Rear left, 94. Your exit is clear. Watch the white line. The track temperature's decreasing. It's now 106 Fahrenheit. Incident in turn 3. Looks like it's firing.
Oh, dude, I just ran half that lap. Clutch in, fucking... I saved nothing. Never went down in the second gear. Stayed in fourth a lot.
The leader, Stanning, is pitting. P4.
Right side. Clear, clear, clear. Good job. Right side, clear.
God, let's ship somebody
Turn 10.
again.
Looks like it's Richards.
No.
Not me.
The car ahead is Nolan, car number 23, A license, and their rating is 2.1.
Holy shit, I really
P2.
got back up to you, Kevin. Where'd you pit?
Yeah.
Oh, so
But the Philip is good on the time.
I have to do that drop for and say
Gap to Stanning. Behind is now 0.11.
Right side. Still there at your door. Still there at your door. still there. Clear him.
That was a 114.02.
Have you pitted yet, Michael? Yeah. So you don't have to pit again? Nope.
Yeah, I'm already good. Just to survive. Oh my god.
What's going on up there?
It was fun. But I saved it. It's Stan and Caitlin are having a fight. What position?
Sectors 1 and 2 are 0.6 off the pace. Sector 3 is 0.5 off the pace. New fastest lap for Stanning, 112.36. Okay, Strickland, you've used half your fuel. There's an incident in the outer loop. We think it might be Patton and Barris.
Again.
I've been doing that before. Will you pit, Charles? Will you pit?
I'm not.
Nobody got a fuel?
I'm gonna hope not.
The guy in front is a lap behind.
I can't lose any more points to you.
Two to go. Keep it together. We'll be on the podium.
I'm gonna be stupid though, because I'm trying to push harder to catch Kevin so I can get at
Left
least
side.
2 points.
Clear, clear.
I appreciate you not getting in my way after you spun yourself.
I didn't spin myself, whoever that was.
Yeah, that was Kyla.
So we got two people.
I was
Yeah, we
slowing
got two.
down, staying in the left-hand lane, and he just bumped the shit out of me.
Were you trying to let him pass us?
Yeah, I mean, I was getting the blue.
Yeah, I saw. I'm looking at the replay. He did bump you.
Do you know what lap it was on?
It was 29.
Why is
Why-
mine 28? It's 29.
Got a yellow. I don't know who just went off here. Oh, it's Tom.
All right, Strickland, one more to go. Keep it together. We'll be on the podium.
Do y'all get warnings in this league or no?
drive through.
Okay. Just wondering.
So you're telling me you took out 2 people that didn't say a word about it?
Yeah.
That sounds...
He did the same thing with me last night. He didn't say a word.
Yeah. When it's his wreck, he doesn't say a word. Just like right now, he's not saying anything.
Yeah.
It showed on the broadcast that 35 got included.
That's all.
But look at that, another P3 in this track. I got P3 in one of my leagues, and I got P2 in one of my other
Scanning
leagues
is the winner.
Nice weekend, champ. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Good win.
Podium finish. Nice one.
Very
Nice one,
clean, good
Strickland.
race, guys. Great
Yeah.
job.
Yeah, he's stupid bad.
We are back to ovals next week.
What's the truck for next week, anyway?
I think Rockingham.
That's the end of the session.
Fantastic.
I can't remember.
Arca is at
Bristol.
Thompson next week, and I'm pretty sure Rockingham is truck. So, stay tuned. Thank you all for coming out tonight. Austin race.
Damn it.